Could we also get all warm-up riders to head over to the warm-up ring? We're going to get underway with our open undersaddle warm-up pretty soon. Thanks so much.
That's it. Good. Okay. You got it.
Stay relaxed. What are we doing for Serena for a cheer?
I don't know. What do you think? Wow, I just got crazy shivers.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, whoopsie. I'm filming the sky again. Oh, well.
Oh, God. Pick up your feet, horse.
Serena, stay up.
This goes so much better if there's like feet to the ground.
Oh.
1, 2, 3, 4.
That was a nice line. Oh. See, she's got the outside rein on her. She's got her balance. It's good. It's okay. Keep going. Leg. Okay. Oh my God. What a bang.
Trot on.
You're okay.
Just trot. There you go. Trot on, Serena. Trot on.
One more. You're okay.
You're good. Trot on.
No, she's not going now.
Stay there. There we go.
Okay.